Hello everyone, my name is Daisy. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, consider subscribing, give me a thumbs up if you find this video fun or entertaining, and click on the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. Today we're here to unbox a little gift that I got. It is from Louis Vuitton. And who doesn't know Louis Vuitton, right? I mean, if you don't know the brand, you might have heard of it. Let's start off by talking about this packaging. Like, wow. I love the packaging from Louis Vuitton. I love the way they do their thing and the way they present their items and pieces. Let's get into the unboxing. That's what we're here for, right? So it all their pieces come in a little dust bag. What it is, can you guess what it is? And what I love about it, about their dust bags, that when you're not using your pieces, you can always store them in the dust bag. I don't recommend putting them in the box, but yes, in the dust bag. Ta-da! Yes. This is the key pouch from Louis Vuitton in Monogram canvas. This comes in 3 different canvases. This is the monogram. It also comes in the Damier Azur, which is a cream color canvas, checkerboard with navy blue checkers. And it also comes in the Damier Ebene, which is also checkerboard in the brown, dark brown, and also the light brown that is here on the monogram. Such a cute item. I think it's so versatile for you to use. You can use it to hold on to your keys, or you can use it as a wallet, and I'll show you now. This is the textile card, which tells you what it's made of, and this one says a coated fabric cowhide leather lining made in the USA from imported materials. So mine is made in the USA, and this is the item number. This key pouch, which is very hard to get. It's on high demand for the not only the monogram, but every key pouch is on high demand. I thank God that I was gifted this one. Let me show you. It has the keychain, and the keychain has the logos LV as well with the chain, and a D-ring where you would attach the keys to. The zipper pull is matte with the LV initials on it as well. 2 pieces of canvas sewn together, and inside it says Louis Vuitton Paris. So the inside is dark brown leather lining, okay, and so like I said, mine is made in the USA. In comparison, the ones made in USA and the ones made in France, I've heard and seen so many reviews, and people say that there is the quality is totally different, meaning that the ones made in France have better quality than the ones made in the USA. And the reason why is that the stitching on the ones that made, and this is mostly for all of them, which I've again seen videos that I've seen with my own eyes, and now that I have the one made in the USA, I see what they're talking about. And what they're talking about is inside, as I open it like this and I look behind it, I could see the light come through the stitching, as well as if I go like this on that side, I can see the light that reflects through the stitching as well. So I wanted to come here and show you the canvas in natural light. How beautiful. And the hardware. Gorgeous. Let me show you in the natural light as well. And let me show you the quality, the poor quality that many people talk about when you open it and you can see right through. There you go. As you can see, my finger waving back and forth. Yeah. And also the other way around. There it is. But to be honest, I thought of maybe exchanging it for another one. But I don't think that's a deal breaker for me. I think this is a keeper, and I'm gonna keep her. There's gaps in between, and I could see it as I'm saying it. There's gaps in between each stitch, so the canvases are not pulled tight together as the ones made in France, which I've seen the videos for. I could see that they're tight, and you cannot see the light through it. But anyway, with that being said, this is a keeper for me, and it's gonna be in my collection. So I want to show you what I can put in it, because I will be using it as a wallet instead of a key holder. This key pouch is that it's so compact and versatile that you can use it for whatever you want. In my case, again, I'm going to use it as a wallet, and for the I will be putting my key. I have a fob for my car, so I will be putting it here when I take my key pouch out of my bigger wallet, which I'll put it like this, right, and carry it with the rest of my monies and whatnot. But in the little key pouch, I will put my main wallet, my ID, my insurance card and stuff like that, so I can switch it into a smaller bag for evenings or night, or when I don't want to carry my big bag, and I could put my key fob here for the car, because usually we go out together, my husband and I, so he probably will carry the keys, so I wouldn't have a need to carry keys, so I would only carry what essentials I need. But to show you, I have a few debit credit cards and my ID here, and even cash, and as you see, it easily slides it in there with no problem, and everything fits. And I have about 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 debit or credit cards, my ID, and some cash folded in there, and everything fits perfect. And even the keychain fits, and it closes without getting wonky. The zipper, without getting wonky, it doesn't look like it's, you know, bulging anywhere. But let me say something about that as well. I've heard a lot of people say, oh, I don't want to fill it too much because it's going to get bulky or wonky, and I don't want it to stretch. I think we buy these items to use, and no matter what, you know, I'm not saying it, I'm going to throw it everywhere or I'm going to mistreat it, but I'm not going to baby. I'm not going to baby it. I'm not. That's something I'm not going to do, because I think, and I've seen it, I read that this coated canvas from Louis Vuitton is very durable. I mean, this to stop it from scratching, that is not going to happen. Hardware is going to scratch no matter what, especially if you're going to use this on a daily, which I am. So I know I mean, it's something I can't avoid, to get scratches on the hardware one. And again, I was gifted this, and I am going to use it. I am going to use it. I'm not going to baby it. If I have to fill it up a little bit more, that it becomes a little, you know, loose, the canvas gets loose, is okay with me, because again, this is an investment piece. It's going to last me for many years. So here's my little piece, and this is the way I'm going to use it as a wallet, and have the key the keychain outer inside, so that when I switch it into another bag, I can take this with me. But I am in love with my little key pouch. Yeah, that's my review for her. I gotta name her now, because I'm keeping her. So thank you so much for staying with me. Thank you for watching. I want to send blessings your way and prayers your way. So with that being said, have not subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing. Give me a thumbs up. That'll help my channel a lot. And also touch the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. God bless you. God keep you. And thank you for watching. Until next time. Ciao. Amazing. And when you get a bug in your eye. And so that was horrible. Horrible. The threat of